Si John Santos para sa Barangay Ispu.
Kahit na dapat nagre-revolve around spoofing ang show na to, halimbawa spoofing political events,
I told you I'm innocent. I was 10,000 miles away.
o mga political figures,
Disregarding the situation of human rights violation and the moral degradation.
o showbiz personalities.
Ito na naman po ang inyong lingkod, si Tita Min.
It's open to all comic forms.
Dear Ate Charin.
Nandiyan ang music,
Ay, ako.
nandiyan ang slapstick, nandiyan ang skit, nandiyan ang special effect. It's also a showcase for all kinds of comic artistry.
Kung hindi niyo alam ang pamagat, by now, itanong niyo na po sa mga lelong ninyong tanong.
Barangay Ispu. Taga rito ka. This program is brought to you by Breeze Power. Sa unang laba, tapos ang matitinding mantsa.